SnackVerse monthly box, Germany. Let's go. We're going to go for these. I was about to show it to camera then, we can see it on here. It looks like a pretzel. It's like a crispy wafer. Oh, they're nice. What is it? They're like a caramel wafer. That's the kind of vibe I'm getting. It's got letters. The letter P. Uh-oh. Definitely going in my belly. A sweet biscuit. The double crunch peanuts. I do love a peanut. Easily eat all these. Anyway, knickknacks. You are going in my belly. Germany. Let's go. This is the Hanuta. High hopes for this one. God. Oh my God, what are you doing to me, Germany?